Eden McCarthy has officially left Kaizer Chiefs. Saba FC have officially announced him. Kaizer Chiefs have also said their goodbyes. I told you. Orlando Pirates have parted ways with Bandile Shandu, Thabiso Libito, and also Master Chef Usipho Mbulu. In this video, we will be discussing ngabo bonke labo bantu ukuthi who should Kaizer Chiefs go for. So if you want more information about this, watch the full video and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down below ukuthi ucabangani. So without further ado, let's just get straight to it together.
Talk about a man on fire. Tactics.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where ozithola khona zishisa bhe. Namhlanje bangabafethu ngiphathele zona zishisa bhe. So make sure ukuthi you stay tuned to the video, subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Let's just jump straight into it. Bafethu namhlanje I want to talk about the signing of Eden McCarthy. The release from Kaizer Chiefs for Eden McCarthy. We all know he was becoming a good defender. He could play centre back. He could play a left back. So bafethu silimele kakhulu and others were bebengiphikisa. So yeah, it has happened. Eden McCarthy has left the club because he had what is this? He had on his contracts he had a release clause, so the Kaizer Chiefs couldn't block the move because they put the release clause. I don't know why did they put a release clause of Eden McCarthy contract yakhe. But Isaba FC came and then they paid the clause and then the deal was done just like that. We couldn't even negotiate the deal. What is that? With such a good guy and bekusazohanjwa kakhulu ubezodevelop egcine esewumdlali obiza kakhulu. But sithi congratulations to him because Saba FC will be playing I'm not sure if it's a Europa League or Conference League or Champions League, but they will be participating in the European competition this year. So congratulations to Eden McCarthy for that. Another news I want us to talk about is the departures of Orlando Pirates players as free agents. We all know what Kaizer Chiefs love free agent. We can't run away from that. But I want us to talk about the departure of Ubandile Shandu, Thabiso Libito, and also Usipho Mbulu, and others the likes of Karim Kinvoet and this guy Gilberto. But we'll focus more in these three players because ukuhamba kwamakhathi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, that means Kaizer Chiefs have only Bradley Cross. Let's not count Umarko because I don't know his situation right now, that he might leave Kaizer Chiefs or not, but we have Bradley Cross and then Ushinga naye ongacacile ukuthi sithini isitori sakhe. Then you have these guys, the likes of Ubandile Shandu and Thabiso Libito, who can play there and occupy that position. I'm not saying Kaizer Chiefs, I want them to come to Kaizer Chiefs, but that can help Kaizer Chiefs to add more left backs since Eden McCarthy left the club. We all know what it was either Eden McCarthy or Bradley Cross. If Umark ngenile, we all know what usually happens. But with the likes of Thabiso Libito can do something. With the likes of Ubandile Shandu also can come in and do something. We don't know Bafethu. I'm not saying Kaizer Chiefs must go all in for them, but they are free The other player that I forgot to talk about is Mabasa. I'll talk about Vito Maikubela, but I was trying to clarify the left back position issue as now, because the Chiefs, since Eden McCarthy have moved away from the club. Nithini nabafethu, do you think Kaizer Chiefs should go for Ubandile Shandu or Thabiso Libet? Either one of them. Do you think any of them can come in and perform with Kaizer Chiefs? Nithini bafethu, you can comment down below ungitshela ukuthi ucabangani. The other person I want us to talk about is Usipho Mbule. We all know ukuthi Usipho Mbule last season almost joined Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know what happened. I don't know what his deal went about, but he was on the verge of joining Kaizer Chiefs, and then Orlando Pirates came in and stole him away from Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if Kaizer Chiefs are still interested to sign him, but he's now free. He's now free. We all know Kaizer Chiefs with free agents. We are very good at doing those deals. But he's now free. What do you think, guys? He even called the Kaizer Chiefs Abola Mtutsi FC. I don't know. I don't know if Kaizer Chiefs fans will welcome him, or the management took that thing personally, or their relationship with Kaizer Chiefs and Usipho Mbule has totally broke. I don't know, but do you think, guys, should Kaizer Chiefs go all in for him, or should just relax and let him spend his rest of his career somewhere else? What do you think? Make sure you still comment about Usipho Mbule. What do you think, should Kaizer Chiefs go all in for him? I don't know. I don't know. He's a good player. I won't lie. He's a good player, and he can add some good dynamics lapha midfield. But yeah, we all know what's happened. Their relationship, I think it is broken. But this is football. Anything can happen. Also, the other guy we have to talk about, we can't leave this one out. It's Umabasa. Umabasa is a free agent. Bafethu. Mabasa is one of best strikers in South Africa. Best strikers we have. He is a poacher. He's a sniper. One chance he gets, he strikes, he scores. One chance he gets, he strikes, he scores. Now he is a free agent. I don't know why Pirates have released him, but maybe they couldn't reach an agreement with his new contracts. But they just released him. I don't know why, because Orlando Pirates, they need a striker. They need a striker, but they decided to release the top performing striker in South Africa. Yabo, it doesn't make sense, but I think for this one, for me, I think we need Umabasa in Kaizer Chiefs. We need a striker like him who can compete with Usilva on top. We are surely that we have a striker. Not ukuthi uSilva mayephumile engene Lilepo who's not a striker. We need some a backup striker for uSilva. You know. And we are going to participate again in the Conference League. And also we are going to be playing lots of cups next season, including e-league. So we need a good rotation. Singasho ukuthi uma engekho uSilva will be in trouble, because there will be no one who can come in and fill the space and try to score goals. But Umabasa can come into Kaizer Chiefs and do a really good job. I'm not saying he'll be amazing, but he knows where to position himself. He knows how to strike. He knows when to shoot. He knows when to head. He's a good striker. That's all I'm saying. So nina bafethu ningangitshela nanokuthi ngicabangani ngaye uMabasa. All the others I'm not sure about them. Ushandu, I know he's a good player. Ulibito, he's also a good player. Usipho Mbule naye he's a good player, the master chef, but the relationship between yena and Kaizer Chiefs, even Kaizer Chiefs fans have broken. And also, the thing I know, the person that I know really well that Kaizer Chiefs need him is his Umabasa. Umabasa, we need him. No debates. Even if they can bring in Mabasa and then go on and search for another striker so that we can have at least 3 strikers. Yabo. Because we'll have lot of games. We saw that last season, ukuthi lot of games damaged us. Yabo. So I think Buffett that's all for the video. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below ukuthi ucabangani ngale content ebenginiphathele yona. And also tell me ukuthi imuphi umdlali ophuma kwi-Pirates as a free agent omdingayo lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. The likes of Ubandile Shando, Thabiso Libito, Master Chef, and Umabasa. The other guys, Karim Kimvoid and Gilbert, I think they already have their teams for the future. But who do you think Kaizer Chiefs should go all in for? Drop your comment down below. See you on another video, Bafesu. I love you all.